Brahmate, Saravaidyapai. Wandering all around the universe. Finally, you meet the Sadhu Vaidya. You meet the doctor guru. Then the doctor guru gives you upadesh. And then he gives you mantra. And of course, giving mantra, he may just give you upadesh and he'll say, you're suffering, you're in misery, chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. So then, if you're more fortunate, there's another verse in Rupa Goswami's teachings, that was Sanatana Goswami, where Lord Chaitanya is saying, using the same phrases there, only speaking to Rupa Goswami in Madhya Lila chapter 19, verse 151. Brahmanda Brahmate Kon Bhagyavan Jeev Brahman Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Latavij. We're wandering in the universe after universe, and body after body, Nitya Samsara, Nitya Mukta, Nitya Bada. And finally we meet the Sadhu Vaidya by the mercy of Bhagavan. The Sadhu Vaidya, the merciful doctor, the Sadhu doctor, the saintly devotee doctor. And he gives us the dawa, the Oshadi, the medicine of Upadesh, Guru Vani, Upadesh and mantra. Guru Upadesh, Guru Shiksha and Guru Mantra. And what does that do? It Pushachi Palai. It chases, Maya runs away. And then I get free from the dictatorship of my Kamadinam Katita Patita, the unlimited demands, Dornidesha, the unlimited demands and pushings of my lusty desires go away more and more every day as I hear Guru Vani, as I serve the lotus feet of Guru. I become more and more pure and more peaceful and more happy and blissful and free from the victimization of these terrible masters of anger and these masters of desire and envy and lust. And then we're very fortunate, Guru Krishna sends us to Guru and we get the Bhakti Lata Bijam. So the Guru gives us Upadesh, he gives us mantra, he gives us instructions, he gives us the Bhakti Lata Bija. And then what's the final point? And the final point is